Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the hidden sound settings on OPPO A6 Pro. Okay, so let's begin. We need to open up our settings and now find sounds and vibration. As we scroll down, we can find the app-specific volume. I highly recommend turning on this mode. Thanks to that, when you have two apps that are playing sound at the same time, when you click volume up or volume down, you will have a button down below right in here, and you'll be able to adjust the sound volume for specific apps. Sometimes it's really useful, so I highly recommend turning that feature on. As we scroll down, we have more sounds, and in here we have things such as touch sound, fingerprint animation sound, deletion sound, screenshot sound, lock screen sound, and the dial pad tone. Some people like when it's enabled, some people don't, and that's the place where you can change it into your own preparations. Some people, for example, like when they have the touching sound. Currently, when I'm tapping, there's a quiet clicking sound you might not hear because of the background music, but you just need to trust me that now when I'm tapping on something, there's a sound. Maybe I'll place a phone closer to the microphone. I think that you can hear it right now. So that's the sound when it's enabled. You can also enable the fingerprint animation sound. Everything is up to you. You can find a perfect preset just for you. Now let's get back. As we scroll down, we have sound effect settings. And in here we can select the sound profiles. Currently it's set on the smart, applies the optimal sound mode according to your scenario. We also have the movie mode, real surround sound and clear voices, so it's the best for watching movies. We also have the gaming, brings out hidden details in the game sounds to make you feel as you were at the arena. And we also have the music mode, faithfully reproduces vocals. The equalizer can be customized. When it comes to me, I always like to stick to the smart mode because all of the optimal modes will be selected automatically, and I don't need to do this manually. So in my case, I always stick to the standard mode. And as we scroll down, we can click on more, and in here we have recording device for camera. Currently it has selected the external microphone. When you record a video using the system camera, the external device will be used to capture sound. If the external device lacks a microphone, you'll need to manually switch to this device internal microphone, or you can simply select just for now the internal microphone. When you record a video using the system camera, the internal microphone will always be used to capture sound. So you just need to simply pick which mode you would like to use. In my case, I'll stick to external microphone. Down below we have in-ear monitoring. We need to click on allow. The preset reverberation, voice changing, and equalizer effects will be included in recorded audio. When you connect your earphones to this device and open a supported app, a bubble will appear. There you can adjust settings such as in-ear monitoring volume, reverberation, voice changer, and equalizer. Turn off in-ear monitoring of apps to ensure there are no conflicts with this function. If you want, you can keep that enabled or disable it. It is up to you. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.